to my channel. I'm Sheetal, and in today's video I thought of doing a monthly favorites video because I usually experiment with a lot of makeup, skincare stuff and a lot of other stuff, other random stuff as well. So I thought why not show it to you guys. So for today I'm going to show you all my January month's favorite. So yeah, let's begin. Now let's start with skincare products. The first skincare product that I have been loving is a lip balm. So this is the lip balm. It is by Nykaa. It is their Lip Crush Macaron Lip Balm, and this one is in the chocolate hazelnut flavor. I usually don't really like these kind of lip balms which are not the retractable ones because yeah, like we have to use your finger every time, but this one is really good. It does not feel heavy and tacky on your lips, also keeps your lips moisturized for a very long period of time, and this one smells really good as well. So that's why this is the lip balm I have been loving recently. Now moving on to the next product that I have been loving is a moisturizer. So this is the Clinique moisturizer. It is their Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So I have shown you this moisturizer earlier as well. I don't use it as a moisturizer usually. Usually what I do is I apply a thick layer of it while sleeping. So when I wake up, I have a very supple, hydrated and glowy skin. So yeah, this has been working out for me very well. So yeah, this is the product or moisturizer that I have been loving recently in this month. Now next product that I have is also related to hydration. It is a sheet mask, not really sheet mask, it is an eye mask. It is by Garnier. It is their Hydra Bomb Eye Serum Mask. This is how it looks. So when the first time I used it, I thought it is not worth it, special eye mask or sheet mask for eyes. But then I kept using it over time, and then I realized that it actually hydrates your under eyes, which makes your makeup application easier. It doesn't let your concealer crease in the fine lines. So yeah, also it helps with the eye bags. So that's why I have been loving this. Now moving on to the next skincare product that I have. It is a face pack, and it is by L'Oreal. It is their Pure Clay Mask, a detoxify mask. So this is how it looks. Camera focus. The camera is not focusing. So this is the mask. It actually clears your skin on a good level. You can clearly see how much of it I have used. I'm surely gonna buy another tub of it. So this is the mask which you cannot use on a regular basis, on a daily basis. This one is like a drying mask. It actually dries down your skin, maybe, or sometimes it dries down your active pimples as well. But it is extremely good if you use it only once or twice a week, because it actually clarifies your skin and makes you feel extremely refreshed and light. So yeah, this is the face pack that I have been loving this month. Now moving on to the next skincare product that I have been loving. It is the Mcaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. This is the mini bottle that I have, and I have actually used a lot of it. So this one I got free on some other Mcaffeine products. So this oil, I don't use it on a daily basis, but I use it whenever I use body scrub and all. So this actually make your skin look extremely hydrated, and also your skin shines a little bit more than usual. So yeah, that's why I have been loving this product. I'm not really saying this one will replace our daily body lotions, but this is really good when suppose you are scrubbing your body or you're shaving your body, then this is a product to go for. And now the last product that I have in a skincare category is a makeup removing balm. So I have been doing a lot of makeup videos on my Instagram, and I actually have a very acne prone skin. If I do not remove my makeup on a day, my makeup as soon as possible, my skin will show it on the next day. So I has to have a good makeup removing balm. So that's why I bought this one. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Keep Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks. So this one is a little bit on the expensive side, but trust me guys, it is worth every single penny, because you need a tiniest little bit amount of it. Like I have been using it daily for the past 20 days, more than 20 days I guess, and this is the only amount I have used. Like you need a little bit, like teeniest amount of it, and you're good to go. It removes it like literally melts down all the makeup, especially all your waterproof mascaras. So yeah, this is the product to go for, and my most favorite makeup balm till date, makeup removing balm till date. Now we are done with skincare. Let's move on to makeup. So I don't have many makeup favorites this time, but the ones that I have are these. So the first product that I have in the makeup category is an eyeshadow palette. So I have been experimenting with a lot of eye looks this month. So that's why I have been experimenting with different eyeshadow palettes. And the favorite one that I have right now is this one by Nykaa. So it is their mini eyeshadow palettes, 10 color eyeshadow palettes. I guess they have 4 shimmer shades in it, and then 6 are the matte shades. So this one that I have is in the variant Beachside Peach. It has all the peachy, orangey shades, a brown shade and a beautiful golden copper shade. So the reason that I love this palette is because these are extremely pigmented. The shimmers are extremely pigmented. Look at this pigment. Also, these are extremely travel friendly, pocket friendly as well, and yeah, you can create at least 5 to 6 looks from this one palette. So yeah, this is my favorite eyeshadow palette this month. Also, I have been planning on getting other shades in it as well. Let's see how it goes. The next product that I have is a foundation. So the foundation that I have been loving recently is this foundation by Sugar. I'm in the shade Vienna. 27 Vienna is in this one. So this shade is a little bit yellowish for me, but yeah, I can make it work. What I love the most about this foundation is its formula. So it is like butter. It melts like butter in your skin. This is how. Look at this, like it literally melts like butter in your skin. It is not a full coverage foundation, it is a medium to buildable coverage foundation, but it literally works like magic on your skin. It doesn't develop a cast on your face. So yeah, it is a very good day-to-day foundation, and yeah, I'm loving this. So the next makeup product that I have is a lipstick. So this is the lipstick. It is by K by Katrina, and this one is in the shade Rom-Com. So I'm not a fan of bright colors, but this one is what I am loving recently. It is a bright color, but still I love it. So this formula is a little bit on the drier side, not really drying, which will make your look chapped. Not like that. It is little bit too much matte, I may say so. So this is like the formula is extremely matte. The color looks like this. It is a very orangey, bright orange shade. Yeah, but looks very beautiful on lips. Also, it stays for a very long period of time, like 5 to 6 hours it stays. If you eat anything oily, then it will fade off, but other than that, the lipstick is really good. And now coming on to the last category, and the last favorites that I have this month are the fragrance category. So I have 2 products in the fragrance category. The first one is the body mist by Nykaa. It is their Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. So this body mist is to die for, you guys. The scent is to die for. It is very fruity scent, I may say so. It is very fruity and flowery mix, I guess. It is extremely fine. It has an extremely fine mist like this. Extremely fine mist, and it does not last longer as it is a mist. We cannot even expect it to stay longer, but it smells very fine. It smells very luxurious. So yeah, I have been loving this mist recently. And the next fragrance product that I have been loving is a perfume. So it is this tiny perfume. It is again by Nykaa. This one is in the variant. These are the Moi by Nykaa, and this one is in the variant. It is all gone, but I remember this one is in the variant Vicious something. So you can clearly see how much of it I have used. So this is not a daily go-to perfume. You may say, like it is very strong, but it actually stays for a very long period of time. Like it won't go for a whole day. So yeah, that's why I have been loving it. The scent is also good. It is very dark fruity smell, but yeah, I'm loving this, and I am also planning on getting a new one in this one. So yeah. So yeah guys, these are all the products that I have been loving in the month of January. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, so every time I post a video you will be getting notified. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.